Good afternoon, everybody. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and we're at the lumber mill today, and I'm doing something unusual and unique with the mill. I've been asked to make rounds out of a log for a wedding. So what we're doing here, we went out in the woods and got a log that has roughly the roundness, the diameter that we want. And of course with jack pine, that's about as good as you're going to get. And about the width that we want here. And enough pieces that we can cut they're long enough we can get enough slabs off there. Now, the mill is meant to cut logs this way generally and cut long thin slabs off of your tree. But in this case, I had to come up with a way to cut perfectly straight specific thicknesses out of a log to make round platters for decorations for the wedding table. So what we did, I'm saying we because got somebody here helping me with this. Got the a board across here across the bottom frame of the mill, and I took a tie-down strap and I wrenched it around the log. I stood the log upright up against the frame of the track in between the rails so the mill can still slide by. Alright, I got the log standing here and then used the tie-down strap around one of the legs of the mill. Goes around the log, and now it's part of the mill. When I shake it, it shakes the whole mill. It's not going anywhere. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna start. I'm gonna raise the chainsaw up and make the first cut right here to get our first straight edge to work with. So what I'm going to do now is make the first cut to get it the angled piece off the top and get that flush and get a straight edge. I got to fire up the old beast. Alright, now we're set up for the first cut. push the other one out. You want to correct that? 'Cause I don't want to trip on that. Got it? Alright. Slide it to me some more. The bottom board. Back around. I'm gonna slide that up higher on that lug. No, put the lug where it was. Yep, slide the rope up. There we go. Now, that's part of the mill. Good. Alright, I'll adjust this and shave a tiny wedge off. Now it's going smoother because I'm using it. It hadn't been that high. So there we go, guys. These are some rounds that are going on a table for decorations. They'll of course fix off, chop off, or adjust or whatever they want, sand them, make them pretty. But there's the cut-offs. So we've done a very unusual form of cutting on a mill that it wasn't originally designed for, which is really cool. So again, I propped up the log on boards to support it, to raise it up, to get it to where I could get cuts out of that. Now I could raise it up even further and continue making some slabs out of that piece if I wanted. And just as long as you got it clamped down to the mill in some way, which like I did here, wedged it up in this corner, it's good to go. It works out pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share. Watch our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget.